Number 8. Laser lamps. As a leading UK producer of auxiliary automotive driving lights, they are committed to offering world-class technology to their clients in the 4x4 pickup, road tuning, commercial vehicle, motorsport, and industrial companies. The Linear 24 Elite is an exciting addition to the Linear family of low-profile LED light bars that gives excellent illumination performance even when the lamp's fairly small dimensions are considered. You can easily install these lights without any worry, but of course, you can always take the help of professionals. Number 7. Type S Auto. The company Type S has given creative ideas for personalizing your automobile. They've illuminated the road, given you the power to keep going, given you visibility where you desired it, and assisted you in documenting your journey. They've shielded your inside from everyday wear and tear, and you've relied on them for when you needed them the most. The PSL kit will survive the rigors of any track or road because of its distinctive double-row LED design, heat-resistant materials, and waterproof smart hubs. The Type S LED app allows you to control lighting effects wirelessly. Add that glow to your life.